Hey, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Today we'll be reviewing the Mopar all-season floor mats for my 2021 Jeep Gladiator. Hey, if you like this kind of content or these type of reviews, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click like and click that bell to be notified of new content. Let's get started. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, today we're going to be doing a floor mat review from Mopar of these all-weather floor mats. Now, still struggling with the shoulder surgery. It's coming along. It's getting a lot better. Appreciate all the comments and reaches out for it. So, I am shocked. You know, I've got my Jeep Gladiator right here. This is an off-road vehicle, but yet it still comes with these very functional carpeted floor mats. But I mean, you have an off-road vehicle. Why would you have carpeted floor mats? So anyway, I bought these for the front and the back. I've used these before in other Jeep products that I have for our Grand Cherokee, and love the Mopar all-weather floor mats. Sometimes they're called slush mats. These are very neat. You know, they got some Easter eggs in them. Sometimes you'll see a Jeep. Here we got a dinosaur. These fit best. You know, there's a bunch of different manufacturers that make floor mats. I find the OEM ones from the company the best. In this case, Mopar is a Jeep brand. They make the best ones. They fit the best. They've got the best upside here. These are pretty simple, actually. We'll go through it in a second. You know, they're pretty nice. They've got the terrain pieces on here to make it look really nice. So really well built, and they last a long time. So they're listed about $185. I bought them for $154. You can see right here, so you can get a deal. They got the two clips at the bottom, and one thing they have here as well, which we'll get into in a second, is they do have a drain plug right here. So there's a carpeted piece. If we look right here in your floor mat, what you're going to need to cut out, and this fits right down in there. And when you cut that out, there's actually a drain plug. You're going to pop that in right there. So why don't we go ahead and pull out the driver's side stuff, pull out that drain plug carpet, and get started. All right, YouTube, these Jeeps come from the factory. You know, with these carpeted floor mats, they're okay. I mean, this is an off-road vehicle, and it's going to get super muddy. They don't have a lot of coverage. They don't have a lot of protection through here, but they do come out pretty simply. So let's just go ahead and do that. So we're going to pull out this. You just pull it up. You just pull this one up, and now we're out. So now we're down to the carpeted floor mat, and right here is this piece that we need to cut out, and you can see underneath of it, right there is the drain. So let's take a razor knife, cut this out, pull the drain out, and then we'll put in the other stuff and replicate this on the other side. All right, so we got this piece is now out, and we're just going to pull this plug out, right like so. So now we have our drain all the way down to the bottom. All right, again, this is a pretty easy process. You can see we got our hole here. I put our drain into the floor mat. We're just going to line this up, get this lined up with our holes where they need to be. So we're lined up here, we're lined up here, kind of fit that down in there where it fits really good down in there, and fit that there. Now look at this fitment. It comes around the sides really good. We get a lot of protection through here, which we didn't have before. Nice and tight. And then if we need to take this drain plug out, we can. And I mean, you can see all the way to the bottom through there. All right, so we are good to go now. Let's put that back in so we don't get any critters coming in. And let's do the same thing for the other side. All right, guys, exact same thing as last time. We got our posts right there and right there. We did cut that out just like we did with our drain plug, and we put it right here into this floor mat. Let's go ahead, and you can see here, this one does have the dinosaur input, so a couple little Easter eggs there. Just kind of get this lined up, got it on the post. Go ahead and get this kind of where it needs to go inside of there. And get that down in the hole, get nice and snug. There we go. Ah, look at that coverage. So got a lot of coverage here we didn't have before. We're going all the way up to the edges, up through there, so lots of protection. Let's do the back seat, we'll be done. All right, so these are a little different than the ones that were in there before, in that we do have this center console piece, which gives us full coverage across. I've watched several videos on this, and it looks like it's going to need to kind of sit in there for a little bit before it settles in, and that was something similar I've seen in my Grand Cherokee before using these Mopar products. All right, let's get to it. All right, I got these installed, and they are fabulous. If you look across, we got lots of coverage underneath the seat. We got this nice terrain piece. It's got the red Jeep logo. Kind of wish it was orange because this is a Mojave, but hey, you have everything. We got this middle part here. I think it is going to take a little bit of time to settle in as it just kind of sits around and goes all the way across. Again, this was super simple to set up. You got these pieces here where you just push down and it's in there. Very, very happy with how this turned out. Looking forward to adding some more mods. So hey, thanks again for all your time. Hey, remember, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and smash that subscribe, click the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new content. Thanks everybody, have a great weekend.